I've been to Jamaica. You know, like in the U.S., poor means that you're living in the projects. You know, you're on welfare. But poor in Jamaica means you have no running water, you have no toilets. You know, you're sleeping on a foam mattress.
The mattress more time on ground. Ground you have to sleep.
It's just a different cut.
Yes, I mean,
yeah.
All right. To be frank, when I first came here, yeah. When they said they call the projects, which we in Jamaica is a ghetto, you know. When I first driving through the place and they said, "Hey, Egyptian, they get to that," and I'm like, "Where they get to that?" I mean, like all these high-rising buildings with ACs and hot and cold water and fridge and bed, all these things, etc. I said, "That's what I get to."
Not too bad, huh?
That's a paradise, man. These people must look some work. I'm working for the look. You want to know about poor life, you come to Jamaica, you see man, mud, zinc, plywood, food where expire people, take them up from the dump and go back to their home, and that expire food that already been expired and like expired again after them house. Dog and hog, everybody live in a one house and boat. That's not my fault.
When the government started revoking visas for entertainers, I think Beanie Man got caught in that. Did you get caught up in that at all?
Well, not really, no, because I mean, I recall them all right. Because they know what them are doing, and they know why them take over whosoever visas and take away. But I give thanks they never take our visa because I would have done